my creative carnivore kitchen. I am here in Mae Rim, Thailand. Here is my other channel, Aline's Adventures, all about my nomad life. So unfortunately, when I arrived here, I was really sick, and I created something, food, for me, basically by accident, and it turned out kind of cool. I thought, hey, I want to show you this. Well, this is my second attempt to recreate it. So I tried to recreate it already once and I totally messed it up. So let's hope I can recreate it today. So I remember I had leftover very lean ground beef. This is very lean ground pork, it shouldn't matter. And then I just put it in that little pan and heated it up again. So this is already cooked. I'm just heating it up. I'm adding a little bit more salt. And so this time I measured it out. This is 35 grams. The first time when I just made it, I just put the leftovers in. So and then now it's on the hottest heat. I turned it to like middle. Let's see, that's about middle. Maybe middle heat. Yeah, it's kind of warm. And I have 2 eggs here. And so I remember the first one I cracked in there actually broke. But I'm not gonna, and I kind of, yeah, I don't know if this is working. So let's see. Oh yeah, you see that one broke. So I'm gonna leave that one intact. So I kind of just like moved it around, and so try to. So it's very uneven. But I think I need to turn this off. It's way too hot already. So I just kind of moved the egg around. But this one I didn't, I left whole. Closed it. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, it's cool. I can really watch how it becomes an over easy egg. You see how it gets white? Let's turn it off. Yeah, that's more than enough. Ooh, hope it's not burned underneath. So yeah, I feel like I started with a little bit too much heat. So then I just placed it here. Oh, I think it worked more or less. First time I made it totally by accident. Of course, it worked much better. I could move it around much more, kind of mix it. But that's kind of, yeah, what I did. And I thought it was just, I mean, it's not that hard. It's nothing special. But I thought it's just cool. Like some meat left over and an egg, 1 yolk I broke or got broken. And another one I left whole on purpose. So now I have some raw egg yolk. It's just a little bit a different omelette. So yeah, that's why I call it sunny side up omelette, because there's a sunny side up egg in there. And now, always the most fun. Yeah. So now you get some. Ooh. I usually eat with my hands. So just take a piece. Ooh, still hot. Agüita. Yeah. Oh yeah. I love this. Because omelettes are usually too dry for me. So now with the one sunny side up here, oh, great. For more recipes, my creative carnivore kitchen. For more about my nomad life, Aline's Adventures. Stay happy, stay healthy. Servus!